Welcome to the channel. Today we'll prepare a classic pasta carbonara, one of the most beloved Italian recipes, made with just a few ingredients and an incredible taste. Classic pasta carbonara, easy and authentic Italian recipe. Required ingredients, for 4 servings. Spaghetti, 400 g. Guanciale, or bacon/pancetta, 150 g. Pecorino Romano, 100 g, grated. Egg yolks, 4. Salt, to taste. Black pepper, freshly ground, generous amount. Preparation method. Cooking the pasta. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add salt, about 1 tablespoon per liter of water. Cook the spaghetti al dente, about 1 minute less than indicated on the package. Preparing the sauce. In a bowl, combine the egg yolks and grated pecorino. Whisk with a fork until it forms a thick, creamy mixture. Add a pinch of black pepper. Guanciale, or bacon. Cut it into small cubes or strips. Fry in a dry pan over medium heat until golden and crispy, but not burned. Leave the fat in the pan, it will add flavor to the pasta. Combining everything. Add the pasta directly to the pan with the guanciale and a splash of pasta water. Turn off the heat, wait a few seconds, then stir in the egg cheese mixture until creamy. Add more pasta water if needed. Final step. Sprinkle generously with black pepper and more pecorino. Serve immediately. Nutritional value, per serving 250 g. Calories, 520 kcal. Carbohydrates, 55 g. Protein, 22 g. Fat, 22 g. If you love easy and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and we'll cook together every week. Thank you.